Hi guys, welcome back to Noun and Updates. Today I'll be showing you how to check your CGPA. A lot of people are asking how do I check my CGPA, and it's pretty very straightforward. If you want to check your CGPA and know your grades, it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is to log into your support portal. So when you go to your support portal, the support portal is the URL for it support.nou.edu.ng. The next thing you're going to click on the login is going to bring you to something like this. So you input your matric number or your now email address and your password. Once you put it there, you click on login. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to the home page. So once you take it there, you click on statement of results before it can show you this. So once you click on statement of results, it's going to show you all these things. It's going to show you your results from 100 level to wherever level you are, and also show you the grades you've gotten so far from A, B, C, D, E, F. So it's going to tell you how many F you got throughout the course you've you've offered so far. So then if you're going to check your CDPA, it's up. It's also beneath it. It's going to show you outstanding courses too if you have an outstanding courses. But definitely to show your CPG, either you check it immediately, log in and click on statement of result. You're going to see it up down or you scroll down while you're checking the remaining results that you've earned so far. Then you can come downward here and see the summary, the statistic of it. It will show you the total courses you've taken, then the total pass course, and the total fail course. Each fail course constitutes to your current class of grade, so it's kind of affected very much. So you need to take your course very serious and avoid F. It's very very important. Avoid F in all your courses. So then also you need to see the minimum credit you need for this for the course you're studying. So for this person is having 120 minimum credit, then he has done more than that because he added some related courses, maybe repeated courses, and they have to rewrite and also. So he has done 152 so far. Yes, he has earned that 152 credits so far. So not courses rather. Total credit unit is 120. So the person have earned 150 credit unit so far. So then he has minus 32 outstanding, which he has done extra. Then the cumulative grade point average, as its CGPA, is now 2.09, which is the class. So this person is due. I don't think he has any other courses to offer again for this cohort. So she or he can prepare him or herself for graduation. Then this is the CDPA. Very straightforward. Just go to your support portal, log in. In my previous videos, I've shown you how to be able to log in. If you are a returning student, you know what to do. You just log in with your previous login detail, which is your matric number or Gmail and your password. If you're a new student, just log in with your matric number and all in capital letter and your password, and make sure it's good and your password is going to direct you to change your password. Then after that you can be able to log into the support portal. Support portal carries a lot and it shows with the comprehensive reports of your results. So this is how to check it. Pretty straightforward. I hope this helps. So if you have not subscribed to this now is an update channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell for subsequent videos. See you guys next. Bye.